This video, we're going to quickly cover the API settings in WishList Member, so advanced options and API. And the big thing here is you'll just see the information that you'll need if you need to use this with some other system. So some of the shopping carts use our API. If you want to integrate with something like Zapier, or there's a number of other things out there that you could integrate with or use the API for. And so when you need your API URL and API key, this is where you'll find them. So you see the two options here. Now with the API key, you can edit it. So if you need to, for some reason, you need to invalidate this old API key. So for example, if I'm recording these tutorial videos, you can see the API key here. So when I get done, I'll just generate a new one, and now this one will be invalid. So if you need to do that for any reason, you can certainly do that. But this is sort of the key that you need in order to work with the WishList Member API. Now, if you're a developer and you want to learn more about working with our API, you'll see down here we have documentation examples at codex.wishlistproducts.com. So this is a developer level sort of thing, but if that's you, then again, codex.wishlistproducts.com. So that's the API settings inside WishList Member.